Hey, this is Jan Onstadt, your beauty bestie with Mary Kay Cosmetics. Yeah, it looks interesting, doesn't it? Well, I have to tell you, when I was a 20-something and our company did not have lip liner pencils, I remember thinking, what in the heck do I need a lip liner pencil for? Okay, well, now that I'm 20 through, 30 through, and maybe a few other throughs, it's really clear because your lip line, where do the lips begin and end, and where does the face begin? Oh my goodness. So today I just want to share a few tips about why lip liner matters, how to use it, and how to keep it from looking all liney. For starters, I use satin lips. Yeah, the Shea Scrub followed by the Butter Balm, right? And so get the crusties off your lips first. That's the first thing. And then before that, even, I used our deep wrinkle filler. And with that needle nose applicator, filled in around the lips, tapped it all in. And then after that, set in for a little while, I did my foundation. And then I did my foundation over my lips because it's easier to find where the lips begin and end, right? So let me see if I can set up my mirror here. And I always start in the center of the lower lip, like this, and work my way outward. I don't try to go like that. Just light, feathery strokes. And by the way, this is waterproof. So much so that if I put it all on my hand, I could not get it off with water. I use the oil-free eye makeup remover to do it, and that works just great. Okay, now in the center, you're going to do the little Cupid's bow next. And some people do an X here. If that helps, do an X. There you go. And then light, feathery, short strokes to the outside corners, like that. All right, now you can actually fill in your entire lip and make sure the lip liner is the color you like. My go-to is rose, but there are so many others like beige, nude, auburn nude, mauve nude that really look very natural. So to keep it from looking super liney, either fill in the whole lip, which that will change the lip color. Actually, let me do it underneath here. And actually you could just put lip gloss over that if you wanted to, or the natural, there's a lip color called Natural, and it is very, it's almost like a lip balm, and it just slides right over that. But I'm going to use my favorite go-to color, Festive Pink. But before I do that, here's another way to keep it from looking so liney is before it sets in, use your finger like that. And you still have that outline. Did you see how that worked? And okay, can't see what I'm doing here, but we'll try to work on that. All right. There we go. And I'm going to do it underneath. You can probably see it will have changed the color a little bit because I filled in underneath. Now for a fun little add-on, you could just put a little bit of Sheer Illusion lip gloss right in the center, and that is going to highlight the lips. But you know what? Don't be afraid of lip liner. If you know how to use it and you know why to use it, then, it's easier to put your lip color on and have it not look like this if you start here. All right, that's it for today. Lippie Lesson on lip liner. Bye-bye.